March 2021 Market Trends. Trends are key to understanding the market. But first, let's do a quick recap of our 12 locations. We've got the Portland neighborhoods of North, Northeast, Southeast, Southwest, and Northwest. Then we have adjacent areas of Hillsboro, Beaverton, Tigard, Lake Oswego, Milwaukie, Happy Valley, and Gresham. Interest rates remain in the low 3s and have decreased a little recently, so still a very desirable rate for homebuyers. And housing inventory remains very low, with all locations having less than 1 month's worth of inventory, except for Southwest Portland, Happy Valley, and Northwest Portland. Days on market is one of those trends that can stand on its own and provide tons of information at a glance. Here we have the bar graphs for the median days on market for each location by month. You can quickly see in March 2021, every location has a median days on market of less than 10 days, which typically means a seller's market. And it's the first time that's happened for the year 2021. And as we look at the 24-month trend line for each location, you can see that March 2021 has the lowest days on market in the month of March for the past 2 years in every location. Additionally, for North Portland, Northeast Portland, Southeast Portland, Southwest Portland, Hillsboro, Beaverton, Tigard, Gresham, and Lake Oswego, March 2021 has the lowest median days on market for the past 2 years. If we look at sold price trends, you can see that March 2021 has the highest sold price for the past 2 years in North Portland, Lake Oswego, Tigard, Gresham, Hillsboro, and Southeast Portland. And while that's very interesting, it's also worth noting the trend of a visible gap between list price and sold price. You can see here in North Portland that there's been a noticeable separation since March 2020 between the list price in white and the sold price in red. You can see the same occurrence in Northeast Portland, Southeast Portland, and Milwaukie. Now compare that with Northwest Portland, where there's barely any daylight between the list price and sold price. And last but not least, the home sold trend. It's important to note that the home sold trend is not a trend that can be wholly informative on its own. You can see the number of homes sold within a location and how it compares to the previous years, but it doesn't necessarily provide an accurate indication of the market's speed. If inventory is low, it can make homes sold numbers low, but that doesn't mean it isn't an aggressive seller's market. Homes sold is an informative part of the market story when presented alongside the other trends. I hope you found this information helpful. I've included a link below for more details and analysis at my website, homemadeportland.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you next month.